Ciao everyone. I hope everyone is well and good. Welcome to Yoga with Payal. I am Master Payal and today we are going to do Beginner Yoga episode 2. So now we are going to start with the 3 times Om chanting. Now put your both hand in your Gana Mudra, spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now get ready for 3 times Om chanting. Join your both palm. Take a deep inhale. 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 Rub your palm. Put your palm on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palm.
Namaste everyone. Put your both hands on your knees. Look up, inhale. Down, exhale. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Put your neck on your center. Inhale, drop your right hand on your head. Exhale, slightly bend your neck on your right side. Come back, inhale. Exhale, do with you another side. Look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, do with another side. Now hold the position. Try to stretch your neck properly. Come back, inhale. Exhale, another side. Try to hold. Now come back, inhale. Now both hands should be up. Interlock your hand. Look up, inhale. Exhale, put your both hands down. Inhale, put your both hand arms. Interlock your hand, look up. Exhale, slowly hands down. Inhale, again interlock your hand. Now hold the position, try to stretch your shoulder up, look up, spine straight. Now drop your right hand on your left leg of your knees, bend your body, look up, exhale. Come back, inhale, interlock your hand, look up. Exhale, go down, another side, stretch your body properly, look up. Inhale, interlock your both hands. Exhale, again drop your right hand on your left leg of your knees. Go bend your body. Hold the position here. Try to feel the stretch of your side muscles. Come back, inhale, interlock your hand. Exhale, do with another side. Again bend your body. Feel the stretch. Come back, inhale, interlock your hand. Exhale, put your hands down. Now come back, both hands on your shoulder level, inhale. Exhale, drop your both hands on your left side of your hips. Go down, bend your body, twist your body. Come back, inhale. Exhale, do with you another side. Your hips should be touched to your mat. Come back again, inhale. Exhale, another side. Go down as much as you can. Now come back, inhale. Exhale, another side. Go down. Try to Drop your hips, come back, inhale, exhale, hands down. Now turn your body on your side. Now try to relax your leg. Now apart your both feet according to your mat level. Put your both hand arms up, inhale. Exhale, go down, catch your right leg of your feet. Go forward. Now, those who can't able to do, they can grab your toes or feet, or those who are having back pain, they can look up. Now come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go another side. Those who are having back pain, look up, don't look down. Now go forward as much as you can, knees straight, drop your elbow, come back, inhale. Now drop your right hand on your back side of your hips, arch your back, try to look at your left hand, exhale. Come back, inhale, put your both hand arm ups. Exhale with your another side. Now come back, inhale, put your both hand up. Exhale, go forward, grab your both toes. Those who can't able to do or back pain, they can look up. Those who can able to do, grab your feet properly, go forward, lengthen your spine. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, again go forward, grab your right leg. Now spine straight. Those who are having back pain, those who are not having back pain, they can go forward, stretch your body, lengthen your spine. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, do with your another leg. Go forward, lengthen your spine, knee should be straight. Again come back, inhale. Drop your right hand on your back side of your hips, arch your back, exhale. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, do with your another side. Arch your back, knees straight. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go forward, catch your both toes. Those who are having back pain or can't able to do, they can grab your toes, look up. Those who can able to do, they can grab your feet properly, go forward, lengthen your spine. Knee should be straight. Inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, close your leg. Now bend your right leg and left leg should be straight. Look at my legs position properly. Those who can't able to do, they can do like this. Or those who are having knee pain, they can do like this. Now we are going to start. Put your both hand up. Inhale. Drop your right hand on your back side of your hips. Arch your back, lift your hips up, roll your spine, go back as much as you can. Exhale. Come back, drop your hips down. Put your both hand up. Inhale. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Grab your feet, drop your elbow, lengthen your spine, knees straight. Now those who can't able to do, they can grab your toe, or those who are having back pain, they can look up, spine straight. Put your hand up, inhale. Again, one more time, drop your hand, arch your back, roll your spine. Exhale. Now try to hold your position. Now slowly drop your hips down. Put your hands up. Inhale, spine straight, lengthen your spine. Exhale, go forward. Knee should be straight. Drop your elbow, flat your feet. Now slowly come back. Inhale, put your hands up. Now drop your left hand on your right leg of your knees. Right hand arms up. Slowly go back. Exhale. Now those who can't able to do, they can put your hands up. Those who can able to do, they can grab your feet properly. Look up. Open your chest. Now come back. Inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, drop your hand. Forward, lengthen your spine. Those who can't able to do or back pain, they can look up. Those who are having back pain, they can look up and try to stretch your knees. Now those who can easily able to do, go forward, lengthen your spine. Come back, inhale. Now drop your both hand on your back side of your left hips. Go down, bend your body down. Try to drop your hips down and feet should be pointed towards your sky. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now right leg straight. Relax your leg. Gently massage your leg. Now you have to do with another side. I'm not going to show you because the time is less. So close your both leg. Drop your hand forward. Come back to cat and cow position. Now drop your knees in a parallel line. Your heels, knees and hips should be in the same line. Drop your elbow and maintain your gap. Your wrist and shoulder should be in the same line. Now slowly raise your right leg up. Bend your right leg. Catch your right leg with your left hand. Slowly lift your leg up. Chest up. Look forward. Inhale. Exhale again. Bend your right leg. Catch your right leg with your left hand. Drop your nose on your knees. Again, grab your ankle properly. Inhale, lift your leg up, chest up. Do as much as you can. Exhale. Now hold the position. Drop your nose on your knees. Now drop your right leg. Now we will do with another side. Grab your left leg with your right hand. Inhale. Exhale. Grab your leg. Drop your nose on your knees. Again inhale, grab your ankle, lift your leg up, hold. Exhale, go down, drop your nose on your knees and then hands down, leg down. Now, put your both hands up. Inhale, drop your right hand on your right leg of your feet. We will do half camel pose. Exhale, arch your back, touch your left hand with your ears. Come back. Inhale, put your hands up. Now those who can't able to do, they can drop your hand on your waist and then arch your back. Exhale. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Now we will do with another side. Drop your left hand on your left leg of your feet, arch your back, exhale. Now come back, put your both hands up, inhale. Now drop your hand, exhale. Now you have to drop your right hand on your left side, drop your shoulder, hand. Try to straight your hand. Now look at my leg position. Your leg position should be 90 degree. Your heel, knee and hip should be in the same line and then raise your left hand up. Look at your left hand and do exhale. Come back, inhale. Now we will do another side. Exhale. Gently drop your hand and slowly lift your right hand up. Exhale. Come back, inhale, drop your both hand. Now come back, drop your both hand on your waist. Now try to close your elbow. Go back, arch your back, exhale, go back as much as you can. Come back, inhale. Put your hands up. Drop your right hand on your right leg of your feet. Now left hand on your left leg of your feet. Full camel pose. Exhale. Now come back. Inhale, put your hands up. Hips down. Go in a child position and then relax your body. Your heels should be touched to your hips. Go forward, spine straight and then go down. Relax your body here, relax your breath here. Now come back to downward facing dog pose. Your knee should be straight, heel should be touched to your mat, spine straight. Try to raise your left leg up, inhale, knees straight, lengthen your spine, stretch your body. Now drop your left leg on your right side and then arch your back, exhale. Those who can't able to do, they can lift your hands up also. Now come back, again downward facing dog pose. Now change your leg. Try to raise your right leg up, inhale, knee should be straight, try. Now drop your leg. Exhale, arch your back. Those who can able to do, they can drop your both hand. Those who can't able to do, they can lift your right hand up. Again, come back to downward dog pose. Exhale, relax your breath. Now bend your both knees and then jump forward. Knee should be straight. Drop your hands down. Those who can't able to do, they can touch your fingertips. Go forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale, knees straight. Slowly, slowly. Look at to me. Those who can't able to do, they can drop your fingertip and knee should be straight like this. Those who can able to do, they can drop your palms down and then slowly, slowly raise your left hand up. Exhale. Try to look at your hand. Come back, inhale. Do it another side. Look at my body, look at my leg. Exhale, open your chest. Come back, inhale. Now apart your feet according to your hips level. Now bend your knees. Both hands should be in a shoulder level. Exhale, spine straight. Now slowly, slowly join your palm. Look down, exhale. Your leg position should be 90 degree. Look at my hips, knees and heel. Drop your both hands down. Exhale. Now slowly, slowly lift your both hands up. Inhale. Exhale, put your hands down. Turn your body on your mat. Now apart your feet according to your height. Now lift your both hands up. Inhale. Apart your feet more than hips level. Now grab your toes. Try to bend your both elbows. Spine should be straight. Your hand position should be 90 degrees. Spine straight. Exhale. Try to drop your head on your mat. Knee should be straight. Now drop your both palms down. Now slowly, slowly lift your left hand up. Exhale, look at your left hand. Inhale, come back. Now we will do another side. Exhale, open your chest. Try to look at your hand. Come back, inhale. Now drop your both elbow down. Knee should be straight. Your hand position should be 90 degree. Look up, chest up as much as you can. Knee straight. Now, those who can't able to do, they can lift your elbow up and bend your hand a bit. Drop your both knees down. Now drop your hands down. Now turn your body on your side. Lie down on your mat. Apart your heels, apart your leg in your hips level. Catch your ankle. Slowly, slowly inhale. Lift your hips up in a bridge pose. Try to tuck your chin to your chest. And then exhale, hips down. Now catch your right leg. Bend your right leg. Left leg should be straight. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Interlock your hand. Grab your leg properly. Slowly, slowly lift your body up. Exhale. Come back, inhale, catch your both leg, exhale, hold the position, come back, inhale. Now slowly massage your spine, gently massage. Now come forward, go back. While doing this, you can relieve your back pain. So do at least 10 to 20 times. Now lie down on your mat. Both hands open should be in a shoulder level. Bend your both knees. Drop your leg on your right side. Look at opposite direction. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Do it on the side. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Just opposite. Inhale. Exhale. While doing this, you can feel very relaxed on your back muscles. Now grab your left knees with your right hand. Drop your leg on your right side. Look at opposite direction. exhale. Stretch your body properly. Now we will do with another side. Inhale, exhale, try to look at your right side, drop your shoulder down. Come back, inhale. Now we will lie down in Savasana. Now left hand straight, bend your right leg, turn your body on your left side, and then slowly we will sit down on our mat, spine straight.
Namaste. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed my session. You guys can practice more yoga. Please go below my videos and check my more videos and do practice at home. So take care. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay healthy, be at home.